Yeah guys, this is part 5 for the firework stuff for Bonfire Night. On my channel already there's going to be the selection box unboxing, but I'll show you that again anyway. I want to show you the stuff inside. On the video you probably wonder what these are. This one's a Catherine rail, but we just, take it apart, glue them and mess about with them ones, because I don't really like Catherine rails anyway. But I love the 2 cakes and they're really good. Didn't get a chance to film them because I didn't get a chance to light them in my garden. We just let them in the field, so it couldn't be that long. So we just did them 2. The bigger cake, which was like kind of the same size as that, which was like that. That one was alright, but it kept exploding so low, so it was a bit of a misfire. But the other smaller one, the 7 shot, that was really good. It was a crackling and then explodes and crackles again. So yeah, that's that. Jonathan's, that was 20 quid. These are all bought from Rainbow Fireworks, a really good retailer for fireworks in the UK. Next up, bought these, well, all of these were bought for Rainbow, should we say. This is just because I ripped it off because I was just trying to see what was inside. But these high-end pet rockets from Black Cat. On the videos they look really good, nice and powerful, so yeah, they've got 35 grams in each, I'm pretty sure. They're category 3 and 210 altogether. There's level 5, as they say. So yeah, these are like, they're not the biggest, but they do pack a punch. It's the 1.3G, so yeah, all do different effects. I'll just take one out. I won't go through all of them because there's not much point. It's 35 grams. I don't think they even say no, they don't even say them anyway, so that don't matter. But yeah, so, but they are really good rockets, so they were 15 quid for 6 1.3G rockets, so can't complain with that. So that's them. Next, ignore the packaging, it was just, I'll show you in a minute the tubes. So this Doomsday Cake from Cosmic. £157 grams. These are the tubes. This is actually a fan cake, believe it or not. Just 5 straight. 5's at 3 fanned at the same time. 5 straight, 3 fanned, 5 straight. It's a really nice cake. So yeah, silver first this way. So yeah, it's good. Another good one from Cosmic. Next, another one from Black Cat. This is called Skyjacks, another fan. 25 shot. 178 grams. Oh yeah, that was £8.99. So what was the grams in that? £8 for 157 grams. So that's a pretty good price. This one's got 178 grams. This was 15 quid, but I know there's not a lot of powder, but I think this is going to be a really nice cake, so I'm hoping it's going to be good. So yeah. If this randomly cuts off this video, and I'll just come back again randomly, it's because my storage has run out, but yeah, I did just glue these together, but come on. I'll just leave it anyway. So yeah, as you can see, it's just done like that. Same on the other side. So it goes 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 for 25. So that's that one. Next we've got some mines. A little bit of a change. There's cakes, and rockets. So I haven't really seen these before. I don't know if these are new, old, don't know, but he said they weren't on the actual website yet, so I was like, yeah, we'll try them out. 25 metres safety distance, so there must be some way good or another. The category 3, 121 grams. These are only £7 as well, so can't complain with that. These are similar to the cube mines, I should say, but one of them doesn't actually explode, but the other does. They space squeal. I say horrible, but it's kind of nice at the same time. That like screeching noise bursts, and then the one just does burst in with colour, and then this one, or whatever one it is, bursts, and then it has a big explosion up the top as well. So that's got 61 grams, that's got 60. So they're standard. Yep. I know they're not the best company, but whatever, I'll give them a try. And for the finale, well, of this video, this big cake here, looks insane on the video. Lightning struck by prestigious pyrotechnics. If you see this, you'll be like, wow, 100 shot. It's sort of the same shape and stuff to Firework Crazy, but completely different effects. This is like a mine and cake every single shot. It's crazy. And it weighs a lot. It's got 990 grams, category 3. Don't think it has the effects on here, but it's basically just like silver. Don't even know what it's called. A brocade, maybe. It's just everything's nice and silver and fast firing, so it's just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like just constant firing. And it's a really nice piece in the sky. The tubes aren't as big as I thought they'd be, to be fair, but probably 20mm. But yeah, I got 2 fuses, so if you wanted, you could light them at the same time and get even quicker. But I think I'm just going to light for normal. So yeah, that's all. I'll just set up again. So Skyjacks, Doomsday, Lightning Strike, Mines, Fiesta Box. So yeah, that's it for part 5. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't seen my videos yet. And there'll be plenty more videos soon as it gets towards more Bonfire night. If you want to see any of the other fireworks, I've got a lot more. Check out the previous displays, there's a lot of big fireworks there. All similar to this size. Oh, didn't even say. This was £69. This is also not on the website. He told me about it, so I was like, yep, I'll take that after seeing the video. It's insane. So yeah, £70, but it's got 990 grams, so it should be a £99 cake. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.